for your friendly handyman. Today I'll be showing you how to install blinds if you've never installed them before. So I'm going to get my quarter inch steel right here. That way it fits in here and it's magnetic, so it makes it easier on me. And so I'll take that off, put that on here, and then I just get this right at the edge. I'm gonna put it back in the same spot. I took it off. Put that on there. Put it on there, just like that. As you can see, the hole's already there. I'm just putting this line back where I want it. And here goes the other one right here. Just like this. Just like that. And then the way the blinds, the window opens, you want to put it that way. Just like that. And then kind of like angle it that way. And that's to take it off. You press the button. And then put it on right there. 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 I like to open it. I'll bring it back that way. He's got some holes right here. Like this. I'm in the spots. Just like that. Just like that. Push it in. Just like that. Just like this. Put them in there. Put them in there. Put them in there. Put them in there. Just like that. Watch your step, boy. Not too hard. Is it? Nope. 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 You can do it. Don't overthink it. You can do it. You can install blinds. It's a handyman tip of the day. You like videos like this?